Hello everyone, greetings of the day. In my today's lecture series, I would like to discuss about the very relevant and important area in the field of marketing, that is the brand management. And since long the companies are focusing on the brand management and branding processes to make engage the customers towards their brands, but with the severe competition available in the market, it's a very important task for the companies that they should activate their brand in the mind of their customers which they want to position, and to make the brand loyal towards the products. It's an important concern nowadays. So in this lecture I would like to discuss about the concept of brand activation for your knowledge dissemination, and I hope you like this lecture as well. So, what is brand activation? Yes, brand activation is an art of bringing the brand to life by designing various innovative experiences that drive consumer action. Yes, it's important that the companies has to drive the consumer action by engaging them with the experiences of life with the brands also. So, it is one of the best processes to make the brand known to the market and the target audience, resulting in an increased awareness and customer engagement. So, here are the some of the examples and types of brand activation by which you can well understand that in how many ways the companies are going the process of this brand activation. So, the type 1 is this product sampling campaign. Yes, in this method brands reach out directly to the target audience at the desired locations and distribute free samples of the product that is yet to be launched or has been newly launched in the market. So, it is one of the best ways to promote the product and get the first hand feedback from the consumers. Yes, by distributing sampling and the samples campaign, if your product is new and you want to build the brand in the market, so this is an important method by which the companies are using this type of product sampling campaign in the case of the brand activation. For example, Red Bull, that is one of the renowned non-alcoholic beverage, had undertaken the product sampling campaign at various corporate offices, especially call centers and KPUs, by distributing free cans of the drink to the employees. As the drink is known for boosting the energy levels, that is the specific requirement of the hardcore responsibilities of the call center employees working long hours, and of course the night shifts are the problematic area, so that energizing themselves are the important concern, and Red Bull has positioned its brand by providing the free samples to these corporate offices in the call centers and KPOs, so that a brand image can be built up as far as Red Bull is concerned. Going further, the beverage giant also sponsors various sports events in and around the world, targeting sportsmen who are in a constant requirement for energy booster non-alcoholic beverages. Yes, the Red Bull has also done the sponsorships of so many sports events, and they are targeting the sportsman because they need the energy booster to build up their stamina. So, that is why the Red Bull is going to activate their brand in such a way that they are targeted such an audience which they wants to be, and they wants to intact their target customers towards its brand campaigning. So, second type of this brand activation is the experiential marketing. Yes, with the latest and modern technological advancements, the technique of experiential marketing and branding has come into the picture and has worked wonders for the brands to showcase their products and services through virtual and augmented reality. So here is the very beautiful example of this experiential marketing in the case of this brand activation, that many of the real estate developers showcase their project along with amenities, facilities and other features by displaying 3D walkthroughs, virtual videos that takes the viewers on the journey of the show and sample apartment, and setting up innovative stalls and kiosks at various trade shows and exhibitions on the national and international level, making the experience quite a memorable one for the consumers that results in sales growth and the brand awareness. Yes, with the prevalence of this internet growth in the world and in India also, the virtual tour concept is important, which is a pre-requirement of this building a brand and brand activation. So if you want to go through the virtual tour of any product or a brand, so you can just go to their websites, and they are now spending huge amount of money to prepare the virtual tour to give the experience, the real experience to the consumers, that what exactly they are looking for and what the companies are providing for the same. So type 3 is in-store or mall brand activation. Yes, this marketing measure is followed by luxury car giants by hiring an open space at a famous mall and displays the newly launched actual car to the consumers. So this activity is undertaken over the weekends or during the sale period at the mall, as it results in major footfall. So the consumers can actually experience all the features of the car, run a test drive and gather all the information on the product to necessitate their purchase decision. This is an important area also, that in-store or mall experience, by featuring the luxury car on the space which is available on the mall, and the footfall of the consumers are more during weekend, and the companies are following the same brand activation process on these weekends in the malls, especially in the case of luxury products and the luxury brands. So what are the features of this brand activation? So the main objective of brand activation is not to provide impetus to the sales growth. Yes, mind it that its objective is not to impetus or to force the sales growth, but it is to create brand awareness and customer engagement that arises the brand consciousness in the minds of the customers, resulting in the loyalty. Yes, brand loyalty is the great concern in this case of brand activation. Then it is not a one man's job but teamwork. Hence, it is also important for the brand to hire a great agency on board that specializes in the brand activation ways and techniques, taking due care every minute, intricacy driving the success of the campaign also. And of course, it is a vital part of the marketing mix that comprises of product, price, promotion and place. Hence, it is essential to plan and strategize the brand activation campaign by working out the available resources and budgets in hand for the optimum returns on the investment also. Then it is always viable to test the campaign before the final rollout, as its core fundamental is working in the live environment with the live audience. So it is prudent to the campaign to be cohesive with the changing dynamics of the market and the taste of the consumers according to the changing environmental changes. And in the next lecture, I would like to discuss about this, how important brand activation is. Yes, that's important, that what is the importance of this brand activation nowadays. So I hope you would like my lectures on YouTube, and be safe and take care of yourself and your family, and stay healthy and stay calm in your life also. Thank you so much.